Hello, welcome to this Lansweeper End of Life video, where today we'll be covering Microsoft Project and also Microsoft Project Server. Now, Microsoft Project is a project management software that helps you manage, track, and plan projects efficiently. It gives you a bunch of tools to kind of help project managers create tasks, allocate resources, track progress, things like that. And it's obviously used throughout many different industries. Now, Microsoft Project itself has different types of life cycles. Some are fixed, some of them are modern. It kind of depends on which version you're using. But regardless of kind of what kind of version you're using or what kind of end of life policy they have, usually they will also have a fixed date, or a date at least where you know that that product will be going end of life. It will no longer be getting any kind of updates or patches to fix any kind of issues, vulnerabilities, things like that. So it's obviously important to make sure that you use a version that is supported, so you can continue to get new updates, fixes for vulnerabilities or just usability, things like that. So in order to make sure that you do have the latest version of Microsoft Project or Microsoft Project Server, we created a specialized report that kind of gives you an overview of all of those installations in your network and also their version and the status of their end of life. So let's head into Lansweeper and take a look what that looks like. Right, so here in Lansweeper, I've already headed over to the report section, where if I go to security and then Lifecycle, I found all of the Lifecycle reports that we have. And obviously now we're interested in Microsoft Project. So we're going to head over to the Microsoft Project report that we have here, which shows you an overview of all of the devices that you have a project installation on, as well as as you can see, the end of life status. So when the actual date will be, how many days are remaining until that specific product will be going end of life. And more information on the publisher version, which is obviously important, and then some details on the devices themselves. And if you're interested in the devices or more info on those devices, you can obviously click through on it. You can get all of the details that you want on a specific device, whether it be hardware, software, users, etc., as well as additional lifecycle information like the OS lifecycle, things like that. So that's all available there as well. If you want to try out this report, then you can always go ahead and look it up in your Lansweeper installation. If you do not have Lansweeper just yet, you can try it out for free, start your free trial, and you can then either view it and also put in your own data, get in your own installation, set it up in your own environment, and that way get an accurate overview of your data as well and your lifecycle status. So that will be it for now. I'll see you in the next video.